I think it might take you ages. Oh, you're going to put them up there? Good idea. Whoa, that was a huge piece. Now we're getting down to the good stuff. Cool, don't break it. Yeah, so much for that. It's like snow. Throw it in the air. Throw it in the air. Oh, bless you. You're gonna have to vacuum, by the way, not me. Okay, grab another piece. Still have wrapping in there. Grab another piece.
Yeah.
Holy cow. I told you it was like snow.
Oh.
Is it staticky? Oh, in your toes. I can't see you. Okay, finish unpacking. All right, finish unpacking. May I have that? Thanks, that's plenty.
Yeah.
Finish unpacking. Go unpack the rest of the box.
Oh!
Whoa! We need those. That's very important. Instructions. This is what we're going to build. Liam's garden. Are you going to unpack? Go unpack the rest of the box. There's lots of stuff still to pull out. Hey! Unpack. Don't make more of a mess. May I have that piece too, please?
No.
Give it here. Yes, give it here. You're getting crazy on me now. Jeez. Liam, not funny. Don't be rude. Unpack the box. Don't make any more of a mess. Pull out the pieces. They're still wrapper. They're still wood. Lily, I can't even see you now. Turn around. There, that's better. Now I can see you. Pull out some wood. Whoa, what is that piece?
Oh, wait.
Oh, must be a leg.
Oh, no.
Mmm. Pull out another piece.
This?
Another piece. Can you turn around so I can see your face? Thank you. Not that close. Pull out some more wood.
Wait.
Wood, right. Oh, wrapper. Oh, more wrapper.
No.
Oh, is it soft?
Right.
Nice.
Have
Whoa, cool. Thank you. Did I need those right now?
Yeah.
Is there more wood? I see more.
This.
More wood. What do you do?